But it was stuck to it with this little thing, and it's a discount code. It's like I'm getting the golden ticket of the, you know, the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory chocolate golden ticket. Alright, let's get painted. Oh, something's, oh, okay, something has escaped.
Oh yeah, the number 16 has escaped from, oh no, I saw it!
Yeah, you didn't see that.
"35 sheets of high-quality sketch paper, smooth surface, suitable for pencils, colored pencils, charcoal, and crayons." Alright, it is day 3. 3. Here's number 3. We have a Zebra Doodler's Glitter. And another thing is that I gave my friend one of these identical ones, and apparently she got this pen in like a yellow golden color, so you can get different colors, all depending. Time for day 4. Well, seems like we have a big pen with 4 different colors. Green, blue, red, and black. So today I got a Stabilo Pen 68 brush in green. I've never seen this before. Have you? Whoa, it's a brush. It's interesting. Is it water-based? I'm guessing. This label here is just a warning thing. Time to make something. that was a little trippy, because you would. I have to put, yeah. All right. Oh. Do you see this? What is that? What is this? It is just the first page, but still. Actually, let's swatch our supplies first. Oh, come on. I have a lot of wires on my floor. Oh, it's caught up in the wheels all the time. I mean, it looks nice. The tip is a little strange. Doodles. Glitter. Oh, oh, okay. There's the smoothness coming in. Oh yeah, I have to put it a bit on the side, like this instead of this. I mean, it's just a regular ballpoint pen. It's not a great one, to be honest. Not impressed by this one. But at least we have several colors. Satisfying, for sure. Oh, this paper is, oh, the big pen is still showing on the next page. You can see exactly what I wrote because I had to push down so hard, get a clear line without disruptions. And that's ballpoint pens for you. I don't have the patience for this kind of brush pen. This is my patient part, this is my impatient part. The paper is buckling so much under this glitter pen, it's kind of hard to... Also, it's so shiny. That was wrong. Obviously, it's not perfect, but I'm not aiming for perfect. So this is what I got today for this. Just a little quickie. God, I need to wash my hands. It's so glittery. Let's see. Oh. Uh-oh. The glitter pen has gone through to the other page. What about the next page? No glitter, but you can still see the pen, the big pen shadow.